All right, here we go. Rehearsal, please.
You did so good today.
Huh?
I said you did so good today.
Thanks. It was fun.
What?
I said it was fun. Wherever that camera Okay, go out.
Rehearsing and camera active.
Go, guys.
Dishes, whatever you want. Like I keep telling you, I got all the help I can get.
Guys, you come walking forward now. Good pace.
Good, cut.
You're writing something and you look up and you see him like this, and it's just you that write it. He doesn't write anything. You know? And then he'll walk. Good, cut. And action, everyone. Go out. Really, like that. Stare at him. And then when he takes his hand and grabs the cup, then you put your dad. Just look at it. Watch it. Watch it. That's all it is. Quicker, so you don't have to do this. You're gonna match what we did. Soup. Go. There you go. Super you. So it doesn't feel sort of like. No. I mean, you did it perfectly on this side.
Majority of you will walk away on your own within the next few weeks because your bodies will hurt, your minds will tire, and you'll decide that this dream of competing against the greatest crews in the world is just not worth it. All right, listen up. I'm Coach Ulbrichson. This is Coach Bowles, Coach Brown. You're all here because we're looking for the 8 most qualified young men to fill out JV boat. Your bodies will hurt, your minds will tire, and you'll decide that this dream of competing against the greatest crews in the world is just not worth it. And there's no shame in that.
Joe Rance.
Joe, you ever crewed before?
Uh-huh.
Row, you ever rowed before?
Some, I guess. How much does the jobs pay?
Pick up your gear. Name?
Roger Morris.
Roger. Name?
Joe Rance.
Joe, you ever crewed before?
Uh-huh.
Row, you ever rowed before?
No. How much does the jobs pay?
Pick up your gear.
Yeah, maybe pick up your gear over there.
Pick up your gear over there. Name?
Joe Rance.
Joe, you ever crewed before?
Huh?
Row, you ever rowed before?
No. How much does the job pay once you're on the team?
Go pick up your gear over there. Name?
Roger Morris.
Roger.
You will be divided into groups and rotate through training stations. When you hear your number called, follow the coach. 1 through 16, you're with me.
33-48.
Eight on each side. Feet in stretchers. Lace them up. Let's take old Nero out. It was the dock. It was the hull. The hull of the boat.
Where do you want to sleep?
Your arms come last. Better. All right, we're going to pick up the pace to 20. That's 20 strokes a minute, 3 seconds per stroke.
Congratulations. You've earned yourselves the right to compete for the University of Washington in the JV boat. Enjoy the moment. It's only going to get harder. From this point on, it's not going to be a question of whether you will hurt or how much you will hurt. It will be a question of what you will do and how you will do it when the pain gets a hold of you.
Don't forget to square your oar up before you drop it in. 39 tacking in the water. In case it wasn't cold enough. Don't forget to square your blade, 38. That's pretty good. There you go. Strong seat.
Well, 7 square your blade.
7, square your blade before you drop it in.